This is part 2 of 4 of the video titled A red eared slider with swollen eyes stopped eating for many days. What to do? In part 1, the owner was unsuccessful in syringe feeding her red eared slider. She asked Dr. Sin Kong Yuan for advice.
Hi, I tried to feed the antibiotics to Terra. Well, this is Terra. He did open his mouth, but I'm not sure if any of the antibiotics did manage to get into his mouth. I also tried to feed the multivites to him, but I'm not sure if how much of it could get in. Right now, I put Terra in the water, but I'm quite worried. Terra seems to be just not moving and just floating on the water. And I put 5 pellets, and he's also not interested. I'm not sure how. Any advice?
The owner decided to heed Dr. Sin Kong Yuan's advice to hospitalize her red-eared slider. The following videos show Payoh vet staff syringe feed oral medications, eye drops and treatments. He was hospitalized for 5 days. The next video shows Payoh vet staff feeding brown multivitamin, calcium and phosphate.
29th of January 2022 at 12:45 p.m. today.
The next video shows Payoh vet staff feeding oral antibiotics.
29th of January 2022 at 12:45 p.m.
Inpatient treatment day 3.
Today is 30th of January 2022, Sunday, 11:30 a.m. 1-year-old male red ear slider came in for the complaints of the swollen eyes. Today is day 3 of inpatient. We give antibiotics or medicine this morning already, and then now I put 10 pellets of food into the water, and then we monitor that the terrapin is eating or not. Until now the terrapin is not eating, and then I didn't see any stool also overnight. We also put the antibiotics eye drop to the eyes, and then now you can see both of the eyes is not swollen, and then both of the eyes can open. So its eye open properly, and then the terrapin is active but still not eaten by itself. This is the condition of the terrapins now today, 29th of January 2022.
Inpatient treatment day 5.
1st February 2022, Tuesday, 12:30 p.m. Day 5 of inpatients. This is 1-year-old male red ear slider came in for the complaints of swollen signs and not eating. So now today we give the oral antibiotics, B3 already, and then also give the eye drop, and then now we put in the water and then put under the sunlight, and then give 10 pieces of pellets also. So the terrapin is now not eating yet. For the eyes is okay. Both of the eyes are not swollen and can open. The terrapin is active also. This is the condition of the terrapins now today, 1st of February 2022.
The red-eared slider made great progress. His eyes are no longer swollen. He started eating and swimming actively. He can be brought home, and the owner is happy. 4 days later, The red-eared slider has difficulty grasping and swallowing pellets despite being hungry. What happened during his home treatment? Did his condition worsen? To be continued to part 3 of 4.